To all you Dodge Ram owners out there having problems with your starter, just getting a click. I watched a YouTube video and the guy suggested to do a wire jump, which I did, because that way you save yourself crawling underneath the truck to see whether or not, or in changing the starter that might not need to be changed. In my situation, this is a 22 Dodge Ram 3500, and here's the solenoid relay, and if you look at the bottom of it, it's got the numbers on it, and this here is 3 and this here is 5. It's real simple. There's only 4 prongs that actually work. There's 5 prongs on the relay, but the middle prong doesn't even connect to anything. And you just jump a wire from there to there, and either your starter will just click or it will start. In my case, it clicked just like it did with the dash, and then I took it off, I hit it again, it clicked again just like it did with the dash. The third time I tried it, the truck actually, the starter turned over. So I put the relay back in, and I have started this truck a dozen times, no problems. So I'm really not sure whether or not it is the starter or the solenoid, but prior to me jumping it, it wouldn't even start. It would just click. So now we're actually getting the truck to start. So I don't know, maybe the starter just needed a jolt or something, but obviously there's something going on with Dodge Ram and they need to resolve the issue. But save yourself crawling underneath your truck to change a starter that might not need to be changed. Have a good day.